Step out of the kitchen with me and come to the Charlotte Hornets game courtside. We got there about 15 minutes before the game actually started and had a pretty long walk. Not to mention I had on 6-inch heels and I had to go down these stairs and it was pretty scary. We stopped and did the anthem. Then we walked to the back. I guess it's the lounge, VIP, whatever you want to call it. We got banded and then I tasted one of their drinks and it was terrible. They had several different stations for food. They had an Asian station, a nacho station, a salad bar station, and a hot dog station. And your girl wasn't sure what she was able to eat, so I went ahead and got the chef, and he explained everything to me that was actually vegan. So I decided to get my drinks first and eat later. So I had to fix my outfit, girl, because I didn't realize when I was going to be sitting on floor seats, I was literally in the front, like in the front, to where I was petrified. I had to keep my feet like up to my chest, and I've always had this fear of a basketball hitting me in the face. You always see the videos of people getting hit in the face with the balls or the team running into you, and baby, hope that thought I'm gonna come back to that, because look at these babies. They did the baby race and all I could think about is I should have brought Caden, because he sure would have been out there. And the mascot, oh my gosh, he was giving everything. During halftime, it was super packed. We went back into the lounge, and that's when I decided to eat. I went with the slaw, some hummus, and I made some salad from the salad bar with some crackers. As I got back to my seat, your girl face was about to be gone. Let's just say something told me to move my face. And once I did, that ball went flying right there. When I tell your girl would have had new teeth, new nose, new everything, all in all, I enjoyed myself and I'll do it again.